Here's another construction update of a new ride at Canobie Lake Park. So the new update they put in, they added a new tent for the canopy, and they still testing the ride out. So right now the ride is like rise. It's how tall the ride is. So they still got a lot of work for this new ride. This ride might be open maybe in a couple weeks, but they added like the booth right there. But I can't wait for this new ride to open. Once this new ride open, I will I have an announcement. Well, the ride looks good. The ride looks good.
It doesn't push it.
So they added lights to the queue line. Looking good, looking good. Looking good. So that's a new update. Well, they still got a lot of work for this new ride. My prediction is this new ride might be open by the middle of August or toward the end of August. They still have to do a lot of work, landscaping. They still have to test the ride. They still have to have the state approval. New Hampshire has to state inspection. So they still got a lot of work for this new ride. So I might have a test footage of y'all of this new ride. We're gonna try to get a test footage for y'all before the ride open. The ride be open soon. Looking good, looking good. It looks good. Looking good, looking good. Looking good. Can't wait to ride it. I'm gonna be the first one to ride it. Once this ride open, I will let you guys know. And I will have a review of it. And a ride footage for y'all. I don't know if I can get a POV of it. Probably won't let me get POV. I will try. If not, safety comes first. So the queue line's done. They put brand new gates. The project looks good. Looking good. Looking good. So this is my construction update at Canobie Lake Park of the brand new ride. I still don't know the brand new name of this ride gonna be, but once I find out the name, I will let you guys know. So I will have ride footage, more updates coming in the near future. I'll see you guys in the next update.